Possessives are small words that carry a lot of meaning. In this video, we are going to learn about the words me, tú, and su. I will use me to express ownership of things that I own. I will use tú to express ownership of things that you own. Yes, you. And I will use su to express ownership on things that he or she owns. This is going to be the third person, he or she, su, third person. I, the first person, I'm speaking to you, the second person, about things that he or she owns, the third person. Again, me, first person, tú, second person, su, third person. Let's take a look at some examples. Mi casa grande. Mi casa grande. Tu teléfono nuevo. Tu teléfono nuevo. Su manzana verde. Su manzana verde. Now, we will turn the phrase mi casa grande into a sentence. Mi casa es grande. We have inserted a verb, es, between the possessive and the noun, mi casa, and the adjective, grande. Using this example, we can create many different sentences with various possessives, nouns, and adjectives. Mi casa es grande. Tu teléfono es nuevo. Su manzana es verde. You might have noticed that so far we have only talked about singular objects. A house, a phone, an apple. That's because the possessive changes a little bit when we are talking about multiple objects, the plural. When we are talking about multiple objects, we put an S at the end of the possessive. For example, mis hijos inteligentes. Tus zapatos nuevos. Sus manzanas verdes. Now, let's turn these phrases into sentences. Mis hijos son inteligentes. Tus zapatos son nuevos. Sus manzanas son verdes. Notice how we are using the plural form of all the words in the sentence. Mis hijos son inteligentes, for instance. We have the word son because the subject, mis hijos, is the third person plural. So we have to change es for son because now we are speaking about multiple objects. So we will need to go from mi hijo es to mis hijos son. Tu zapato es, tus zapatos son. Su manzana es, sus manzanas son, multiple, plural, sus manzanas son.